Chào cả nhà, hello guys. I am Nina Tran Lee. Welcome to So Sim Yum Kitchen. This is where I prepare food that touches my family soul. It's simple to make and yummy to eat. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make my version of Sate Beef Noodles. Mr. Pham and I first tried Sate Beef Noodles at Minh Ký Mì Gia restaurant when we were living in San Diego, California. Since Sate Beef Noodles aren't available at any restaurants in the Midwest, I decided to recreate this spicy beef dish with wonderful fragrance of lemongrass, salad, garlic, and dried shrimp based on my vivid memory. Please join me in the kitchen so we can prepare this yummy meal together. Shall we get started? Here are some of the main ingredients to make 4 bowls of Sate beef noodles. First, we will need 12 ounces of egg noodles. You can use the store-bought thin 1-pound noodles, or if you have the Philips pasta maker, you can check out my last video to learn how to make Chinese egg noodles from scratch. As for beef, we will need 1 pound of beef tenderloin, but you can use ribeyes, boneless short ribs, or chucks. To make satay, we will need half cup of dried shrimps, 1/4 cup of ground lemongrass, some salads, and a few cloves of garlic. For the veggies, we will need 1 sweet onion, 6 small Roma tomatoes, and 4 stalks of green onions. These veggies are optional, but we also like to include chives, chrysanthemum, and cilantro. Here I have half cup of filtered water in this measuring cup. Add half cup of dried shrimps. Microwave this cup for about 1 minute. Allow the dried shrimp to soak in the hot water until they are softened. After that, grind them using a mini food processor. Please do not discard the dried shrimp liquid. To make marinating sauce, combine 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1½ teaspoon of seasoning sauce, 1½ teaspoon of hương fish sauce, ½ teaspoon of ground white and black pepper, 15 grams of mint salad, 15 grams of mint garlic. Stir until the honey is completely dissolved. Taste and adjust at this point to make sure the taste meets your family liking. After that, add 2 teaspoons of Japanese sake, 1 tablespoon of Japanese sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and stir to combine. Now we need to take out 4 tablespoons of this marinating sauce and save it for later use. Thinly slice 1 pound of beef tenderloin across the grains like this. Add the sliced beef into the marinating sauce and lightly massage them to make sure they are coated evenly. See how dry this marination is? We don't want the beef to be in a wet marination to prevent them from releasing too much liquid during the first stage of work frying. Hence, this is the reason we took 4 tablespoons of marinating sauce out earlier. Now, allow the marination to rest on the countertop for about 10 minutes. After that, we can store the marinated meat in the fridge if not ready to use yet. To make satay, first preheat a wok on a medium stove over medium heat. Add 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 30 grams of minced shallot, and stir until fragrant. Add 30 grams of minced garlic, 1/4 cups of ground lemongrass, and stir until garlic turns light golden, about 2 minutes. Add ground dried shrimps, half teaspoon of annatto powder, half teaspoon of paprika powder, and stir to combine. Reduce heat to low. Add 1 teaspoon of seasoning sauce, half teaspoon of hương fish sauce, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of shiitake mushroom seasoning, 1 teaspoon of vegetarian Saute chili oil or red pepper flakes. This is depending on your family's spicy level. The dried shrimp liquid and stir to combine. Taste and adjust if needed. Continue to simmer for another minute. Transfer satay to a bowl for later use. Bring a pot of 4 liters of water with 1 teaspoon of salt to a boil. In the meantime, I will separate these 4 bunches of store-bought wonton noodles and microwave them for 1 minute to foam up the noodles. Cook 1 serving of noodles, about 3 ounces at a time, for about 5 to 10 seconds. Make sure to shake off all the excess water. No need to rinse with cold water, but I like to add 1 teaspoon of Japanese sesame oil to the cooked noodles to keep them from sticking together. If the meat is from the fridge, allow it to come to room temperature at least 10 minutes before stir frying. Preheat a wok on a big stove over medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil and half tablespoon of unsalted butter. Once the butter is melted, add 1/4 portion of the marinated beef, about 3 ounces, and stir for about 1 minute. Add 1/4 portion of satay, about 3 tablespoons, 1/4 portion of sliced onion, about 1 ounce, and stir to combine for about 30 seconds. Now add 6 pieces of tomato, 1 tablespoon of marinating sauce that we saved from earlier, and give them a good stir for about 1 minute. Add 1 serving of noodles, 1 stalk of sliced green onion, and stir to combine for about 10 seconds. Transfer this Sate beef noodle to a bowl and serve. Wow, the aroma of the Sate beef noodles is amazing. Let's taste it. Sate beef noodles are so delicious that I can eat them every single day. The beef is so tender and tasty. The fresh tomatoes go so well with the savory noodles and tender beef. At Minh Ký Mì Gia restaurant, Mr. Pham and I also ordered 2 side dishes to go with the Sate beef noodles. They are crispy pork fat and pickled papaya. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. Ring the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching and happy cooking for your loved one. See you guys next time. Chào cả nhà nha.